Visit to aweber.com, get started free, continue with Google or from email address. Aweber provides you in this free trial. These are the plans. You can select the plan according to your business need. I am selecting Plus plan and starting the free trial. Enter your card details. Don't worry, they will not charge you before 14 days. You can try out this service for your business. If it is helpful, you can continue it. And if it is not helpful, you can cancel the plan before 14 days. My account is created. Check your mail and verify your account. Now fill some basic details. Write your company name. If you don't have a company, you can write your name. Enter any of your social media link. Select your industry. So this is your dashboard. To add subscribers, go to subscriber section. Here you can add single subscribers and import multiple subscribers. I will tell you both. So first I'm adding single subscriber. First you have to fill the name of the subscriber, his email ID. Then you can write a label here for this subscriber to keep it remember how they subscribed you. For instance, they signed up on your website, so you can write website here. You can add a tag, for example website again, so it is useful to filter later. Then just click add subscriber. Currently the status is pending. However, team will take some time to verify the data. Now let's import multiple subscribers. So this is the sample data I created. If you have a subscriber list anywhere or any website or any app, you can export the data in CSV file, and CSV file will always look like this. Here each row is a data of single person and first row is a type of data. Here you can import the file or you can type or paste. After importing, you have to select how you want to process the data. I will recommend you to only add new subscriber. So if there are some subscriber in your imported data that are already present in your current subscriber list, then they will not be added again. Then you have to map the field. On the left side you can see the columns. This is taken from the first row of the imported file. I told you that this was the type of the data. On the right side, you have to map the data. Some fields are automatically mapped by the system, such as email, first name, and last name. Now you have to map phone, city, country, source, and tell Aweber that what type of data it is. For instance, I can select phone as a follow-up number, or if the type is not present here, you can add a new custom field. For instance, city. So now I successfully mapped the data. I will recommend you to select no. If you select yes, then Aweber team will again send emails to these subscribers that they are subscribed you, and there are chances that they will unsubscribe your list. You can assign tags which you will use later for filtration. Here you have to tell how these subscribers join your list and then submit it. You can filter your subscribers by currently subscribed, unsubscribed, by date, or by